flood and landslide in Sumatra. Ladies and gentlemen, flood and landslide that have struck their province in Sumatra have caused severe damage to public facilities, educational institutions, and places of worship. According to data from the Data and Information Center of the National Disaster Management Agency or BNPB. As of Friday, December 5, 2025 at 7 a.m. Eastern Indonesian time, the damage to infrastructure is considered significant. A total of 536 public facilities were reported damage along with 126 educational facilities. 185 halls of worship, 25 health facilities, 115 office buildings, and 295 bridges. Meanwhile, the death toll continues to rise. A total of 125 fatalities were reported in Aceh, 111 in North Sumatra, and 200 in West Sumatra. As of now, the total number of deaths has reached 826 people. In addition, 209 individuals are still reported missing and approximately 2,700 people have been injured. The government and disaster response teams continue evacuation efforts, victim and collection, and the distribution of aid to affected communities. We will continue to provide the latest updates on the development of this disaster.